Hi everyone, I'm Neetu, your science teacher from Inspire. Today we'll be starting electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is study of charges. Okay, when I say study of charges, my first question should be what is a charge? So a charge is a physical entity that measures deficiency or excess of electrons. Now, what is an electron? We already know what is an electron. An electron is the smallest entity of matter that carries charge. So whenever a body gains an electron, it is negatively charged. And whenever a body loses an electron, it is a positively charged body. So whenever I say charge, we have two types of charges. First is a negative charge and the second is positive charge. So negative and positive. Negative, which gains an electron, positive, which loses an electron. Clear? When I say there are two types of charges, negative and negative, we say like charges. These two repel each other. एक दूसरे से दूर जाते हैं. When I say positive and positive are again like charges. They'll also repel each other. So like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Unlike charges in the sense a positive and negative charges attract each other. So two different types of people are more likely to stay with each other rather than two same kind of people. So that is the whole concept of a charge. When we know that there are two types of charges, a negative and positive, we have to see how do we calculate a charge. So to calculate a charge, the formula is, okay, I forgot to tell you that we represent a charge by Q. A charge is represented by Q. The formula for charge is Q equals to NE. N is the number of electrons and E is the electronic charge. N is number and E is electronic charge. What is the value of E? We all know, okay, so the SI unit to this, to charge is coulombs, coulomb, and represented by C. So one electronic charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. One electron has this much charge. How much charge does a one proton have? One proton has the same amount of charge because we are taking magnitude of the charge. Here one proton has this, but we know that electron is negative and a proton is positive. So that's the whole difference between one electron and one proton. So as I said that charge is carried in electrons. So one electron has some amount of charge. What is that amount? One electron carries 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Coulomb is the SI unit of charge. So one electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. When I say coulomb is the SI unit, how many electrons contribute to 1 coulomb of charge? How do we calculate that? 1 coulomb, 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 90. When I bring it here, it contributes to 1 coulomb. So 1 coulomb equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. 1 coulomb equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Can you relate it to Q equals to NE, which is the formula for charge? So this is Q, this is N, and this is E. Clear?